Have you ever wondered how artificial eggs are made? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial egg production, a realm where culinary science meets cutting-edge technology. Artificial eggs are becoming increasingly important in addressing various challenges in the food industry, including sustainability, food safety, and affordability. As the world grapples with climate change and population growth, the demand for alternative protein sources is on the rise. And that's where artificial eggs come in. These ingenious products are made from plant-based proteins, emulsifiers, stabilizers, and colorants, all carefully formulated to mimic the texture and flavor of natural eggs. Not only do artificial eggs provide a viable alternative to animal proteins, but they also offer a more sustainable and ethical option for consumers. This innovative solution is changing the game in the food industry. But how exactly are these artificial eggs created? Stay tuned as we unfold the intricate steps involved in the production of artificial eggs. Artificial eggs start their journey as a careful selection of proteins, emulsifiers, stabilizers, and colorants. These ingredients, each with a unique role, work in tandem to create a product that not only looks like an egg but also tastes like one. Proteins provide the structure, emulsifiers ensure a smooth and creamy texture, stabilizers maintain consistency, and colorants give that familiar yellow hue. But it's not as simple as throwing everything into a pot and stirring. The formulation process is a precise science. Each ingredient is meticulously measured to the last gram. Then, under the watchful eye of an expert, they are mixed in a controlled environment. The goal? To mimic the textures and flavors of natural eggs as closely as possible. It's a delicate ballet of culinary science and technology where even the slightest misstep could result in a less than perfect product. With the ingredients perfectly combined, we're now ready for the next step, emulsification and homogenization. In this stage, the ingredients are blended together to form a homogeneous mixture. This process, known as emulsification, is a crucial step in the creation of artificial eggs. It's kind of like making a salad dressing, but instead of oil and vinegar, we're using proteins, emulsifiers, stabilizers, and colorants. The magic happens when we stir everything together. The ingredients, previously separate entities, become a unified, harmonious blend. But we don't stop there. To ensure we have a uniform and consistent final product, we move on to homogenization. Picture it as a rigorous school for the mixture, where every single drop is taught to behave exactly like its peers. Through intense pressure and high-speed mixing, we ensure that our artificial egg mixture is as smooth and even as possible. This not only enhances its quality, but also prolongs its shelf life. Now that we have a consistent mixture, it's time to give it the look and feel of a real egg. This is where the magic happens. The emulsified mixture is heated to specific temperatures to mimic the coagulation of natural eggs. This process is a delicate dance of temperature and timing, ensuring the right consistency and texture. Imagine the transformation of a liquid into a semi-solid state, just like when you cook a real egg. Next comes the shaping process. This is where our culinary art meets science. The cooked mixture is transformed into familiar egg-like shapes. This might involve using molds for whole eggs or extrusion techniques for scrambled or egg white options. It's almost like playing with a high-tech Play-Doh, but with a delicious twist. Each step is controlled and monitored to ensure the final product not only looks like a real egg, but also behaves like one when cooked or baked. And voila! We now have an artificial egg. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to the final steps. Packaging is vital in preserving the freshness and integrity of the artificial eggs. Once the eggs are shaped and cooked, they journey on to the packaging phase where they are encased in protective materials. This process is not just about creating an appealing exterior, it's about maintaining the quality of the product within. But the job isn't done just yet. Once packaged, each batch of artificial eggs undergoes rigorous quality control measures. These checks are designed to ensure that every single artificial egg that leaves the factory is up to par, meeting both regulatory standards and the high expectations of consumers. From visual inspections to taste tests, each egg is scrutinized to ensure it's just right. This is the final yet crucial step in the production process, where meticulous attention to detail is paramount. And there you have it. That's how artificial eggs are made. From the careful selection of ingredients to the precise execution of manufacturing processes, each step reflects a commitment to excellence and a vision for a more sustainable and inclusive food